The 2026 MINI Countryman is here, blending iconic design with modern innovation. Get ready to explore the road with style, functionality, and unmatched driving pleasure in every journey. Adaptive LED headlights illuminate the way, and mild hybrid technology enhances efficiency, providing a smooth, responsive drive for your adventures. Step inside to enjoy the Harman Kardon surround sound audio and a circular OLED screen for a truly immersive driving experience. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge Mini today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 MINI Countryman. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tire and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.